The battery warning light, often shown as a battery icon or ALT, indicates an issue with your vehicle's battery, alternator, or charging system. It's triggered by the car's computer, the ECU, when it detects a problem such as low voltage or alternator malfunction. On the dashboard, you'll see this warning light illuminated when the system detects an issue. The charging system includes components like the battery and alternator that work together to maintain proper voltage. Ignoring this light can lead to breakdowns, so proper diagnosis is crucial. Vehicles built after 2018 feature advanced onboard diagnostics that go beyond traditional systems. These systems provide real-time monitoring of vehicle components, making diagnostics more proactive. Many include AI assistance to predict issues before they become critical. Electric and hybrid vehicles add complexity with high-voltage systems. The warning light often connects to these high-voltage components, requiring specialized handling. Over-the-air updates are now common for software-based resets. However, enhanced security protocols protect against unauthorized access. Cloud-based diagnostics through mobile apps are becoming the standard for modern vehicles. These features make battery warning resets more efficient, though they require technical knowledge. Before attempting a reset, diagnose the underlying issue. Use an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic trouble codes that pinpoint the problem. Common causes include a faulty alternator, weak battery, or corroded connections. Check battery voltage, which should be greater than 12.6 volts at rest. Check alternator output, which should be 13.5 to 14.4 volts while running. After fixing the problem, such as replacing the battery or alternator, clear the diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. Some older vehicles may allow a reset by cycling the ignition or disconnecting the battery for 15 to 30 minutes. However, these methods can cause data loss in modern cars with adaptive systems. Always consult your owner's manual for the correct procedure. For electric vehicles and hybrids, the battery warning light often signals high-voltage system issues that differ from traditional gas-powered vehicles. Key to diagnosis is checking the battery management system for cell imbalances, which can cause uneven voltage distribution. Some manufacturers provide remote resets through their mobile apps, especially after software patches address charging issues. However, improper reset attempts can void warranties, so always proceed with caution and consult professionals for these complex systems. The Tesla Model Y provides a clear example of software-related battery warning issues. Owners experienced frequent false alarms due to glitches in the battery management system. A 2024 over-the-air update enabled touchscreen app resets, effectively solving 85% of these cases without requiring dealership service. In the Ford F-Series trucks with 48-volt systems, corroded battery terminals often caused false battery warning lights. A documented case involved cleaning the terminals and using an OBD scanner for reset, which avoided an unnecessary $1,200 alternator replacement. The Volkswagen ID.4 electric vehicle case demonstrates BMS imbalance issues causing battery warnings. A remote reset through the manufacturer's app resolved the problem, contributing to a 50% drop in warranty claims for charging system issues after OTA integration. These real-world examples underscore the increasing reliance on manufacturer-specific tools and software updates for properly resetting battery warning lights in modern vehicles. Experts emphasize that many battery warning lights stem from simple user errors like leaving lights on. While DIY resets are possible for older cars, modern vehicles often require professional scans to avoid voiding warranties or causing electrical shorts. Statistics show that resets can prevent a significant percentage of roadside breakdowns. AI diagnostics are expected to reduce repair needs further by up to 40% globally by 2030. The automotive industry is moving toward preventive maintenance, powered by artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. Rather than waiting for problems to occur, systems now predict issues before they trigger warning lights. By 2025, 40% of vehicles feature predictive diagnostics that monitor battery health and charging systems in real time. These systems alert drivers to potential issues before the battery warning light even comes on, preventing breakdowns. IoT sensors continuously collect data on battery voltage, temperature, and charging patterns, feeding it to AI algorithms for analysis. This creates a loop of connectivity and data processing that enables proactive maintenance. Looking ahead to 2030, autonomous resets powered by artificial intelligence may completely eliminate the need for manual intervention. Vehicles could self-diagnose charging system issues and perform resets automatically, integrated with advanced driver assistance systems. AI-driven systems follow structured steps from data collection through model deployment, continuously improving predictive accuracy and reducing the need for traditional resets. Sustainability trends are influencing reset protocols with a focus on eco-friendly battery disposal checks and the use of recycled materials in new batteries. Solid-state batteries promise longer lifespans, reducing reset needs by up to 30%. Proper waste management ensures batteries are recycled responsibly, with checks integrated into maintenance protocols to promote environmental sustainability.